Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about human digestive system, about the different organs involved in digestion of food, also about Dr. William Beaumont, who did many experiments on Martin's stomach and found many secrets about digestion. Now, what is digestion? Digestion is how your body turns food you eat into nutrients. It is used for energy, growth, and cell repair. The digestive tract is long twisting tube that starts at your mouth and ends at your anus. Now, a digestive system involve many organs like mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, liver, large intestine, gallbladder, pancreas, rectum and anus. First we will take up mouth. Digestion actually begins in mouth. The teeth break the food into smaller pieces and the tongue move the pieces around so that saliva can mix with them. So we can come to know that the digestion begins in our mouth. Then it's swallow and the journey begins from mouth. Then it goes to esophagus. Esophagus is about 10 centimeter long, moves food from throat to the stomach. The muscles movement is called peristalsis. Heartburn when acid comes from stomach gets here. And esophagus, that is a tube that connects your mouth and your stomach. Now stomach. Here you can see a red organ is called as stomach. It is a muscular bag which churns your food. It stores the food you eat, break it into tiny pieces, mixes food with digestive juices. Acid in the stomach kills bacteria. It can stretch and it can also shrink. Now next organ is your small intestine. Here in the diagram you can see the pink organ which is small intestine. Small intestines are roughly 22 feet long. Small refers to its diameter, not its length. So be careful. Small intestine does not mean it is small in size, because its thickness is small, that's why it is called as small intestine, but its length is around 22 feet. Inside are coated with fingers like projections called villi, which increase its area. Nutrients from the food passes into bloodstream through the small intestine wall. You can have pieces removed, but it is very hard for your body to get the right nutrients. The next organ is your large intestine. Here you can see the brown organ is your large intestine. It is about 5 feet long. Now you understood, it is only 5 feet long, but it is called as large intestine because of its diameter. Except that small intestine does not absorb. Whatever is not absorbed in small intestine is absorbed or kept in large intestine, and large intestine absorb water and mineral from the waste matter. You can lose a large. Next is your liver. Here you can see a purple organ which is your liver. Liver affects digestion by producing bile juice. Bile is a digestive juice which helps to digest fat. Processes nutrients in the blood, filters out toxins and waste. It often is called the body energy factory. You cannot live without a liver, although you can live with a part of one. Drinking alcohol damages the liver. The next organ is your gallbladder. Here you can see a small organ which is attached to liver is your gallbladder. So what does a gallbladder store? A gallbladder store bile juice. and it delivers bile when food is digested. Fatty diets, that you eat ghee, butter, that is digest. Fatty diets can cause gall stones also. Now here is your pancreas. It produces compound and digests fat and protein, neutralizes acid that enters small intestine. It regulates blood sugar by producing insulin. It does not work right, you get diabetes. If it does not work properly, a person may have diabetes. Now this is your rectum. Last is your rectum and anus. Rectum is about 15 centimeter long and it store waste before ejection. Ejection means throwing out of your body. That is waste material which is thrown out of your body. And is your anus, that is a muscular ring that control ejection, through which you throw your waste material. Now here Dr. William Beaumont, who is also known as father of gastric physiology, he discovered many secrets about digestion. And what does he explain? He explained that he observed a normal digestion process in stomach while he was operating a surgery based on stomach on June 17, 2019. And on whose stomach he did this experiment? And here you can see Martin, who was a soldier, and he was shot by a gun and he has a hole in his stomach. And the man whose gunshot wound created a window into his stomach, and which enabled Dr. Beaumont to understand the process of digestion. What secrets did Dr. Beaumont found about digestion? Dr. Beaumont did many experiments on Martin and found many secrets of digestion. What was his secret? He found that food digests faster in stomach than outside. He found that food do not digest properly when we are sad. So we should never be sad. We should always be happy when we are eating food. Digestive juices in stomach are acidic. That's why we have acidity when person has not eaten food or the food has not digested properly. So here is some fun facts. How long are your intestine? It is about 25 feet in adult. That is the size of your small intestine. Food drying up and hanging out in large intestine can last for 18 hours to 2 days. In your lifetime, your digestive system may handle about 50 tons of food. No, now it's time for quiz. On the sheet of paper, write a name of each colored organ. Here in the diagram, you can see all the organs which are in different in color: green, red, pink, brown, purple, green and yellow. Now you have to name these organ. So here is the right answer. That is, green is your esophagus, red is your stomach, pink is your small intestine, brown is your large intestine, purple is your liver, green is your gallbladder, yellow is your pancreas. Good job. Now is your evaluation time. Circle the name of the organs from the puzzle. Here is a crossword puzzle, and from this crossword puzzle you have to encircle the different organs of digestion. Now here is the correct answer. You can see the correct answer in different colors, so you can do it. Thank you.